Imagine a world where robots are not just machines, they are companions, integrated into our daily lives, offering support and companionship in ways we never thought possible. This is the story of Astro, the AI-powered robo-dog, designed to be more than just a gadget. Astro is more than just a pet. He is a member of the family, bringing joy and laughter to everyone around him. He is a friend, a helper, and a marvel of modern technology. Astro can assist with daily tasks, making life easier and more enjoyable. Astro looks like a real dog with lifelike features that make him almost indistinguishable from a living pet. He has 4 legs, a wagging tail, and expressive eyes that can convey a range of emotions, making him feel truly alive. But Astro is made of metal and plastic, a testament to the incredible advancements in robotics and materials science. He is powered by batteries and controlled by a sophisticated artificial intelligence, allowing him to learn and adapt to his environment. Astro is the perfect blend of nature and technology, seamlessly integrating into both indoor and outdoor settings. He has the charm of a beloved pet and the intelligence of a computer, making him an ideal companion for people of all ages. This makes Astro a truly unique companion, one that stands out in a world filled with ordinary pets and gadgets, one that is ready to revolutionize the way we live and interact with technology, bringing a new era of companionship and innovation into our homes. Astro is incredibly intelligent. He learns from his experiences and adapts to his surroundings. This is all thanks to his advanced artificial intelligence. AI allows Astro to understand and respond to your commands. He can recognize your face and voice. He even learns your daily routines and preferences. This makes Astro a truly personalized companion, one that becomes more in tune with you over time. Astro can even understand your emotions. He can sense when you're happy, sad, or stressed. He responds accordingly, offering a comforting presence when you need it most. This emotional intelligence sets Astro apart from any other robot. Astro is more than just a smart companion. He is a valuable helper around the house. He can perform a variety of tasks, making your life easier and more convenient. Need someone to fetch your slippers? Astro can do that. Forgot to close the window? Astro can handle it. He's always ready to lend a helping paw. Astro can even help with chores. He can carry groceries, water plants, and even take out the trash. Astro is like having an extra set of hands around the house. He lightens your load and frees up your time. Section 4. A day with Astro. Imagine waking up to Astro's friendly greeting. His cheerful bark and wagging tail are the perfect start to your day. He brings you your slippers and reminds you about your schedule for the day. Astro is not just a pet, he's a helpful assistant who keeps you organized. As you go about your morning routine, Astro helps with small tasks. Whether it's fetching your newspaper or turning on the coffee machine, he makes your life easier. He even entertains you with a funny trick or two. His playful antics bring a smile to your face and brighten your morning. In the afternoon, Astro joins you for a walk in the park. His energy and enthusiasm are contagious, making your walk more enjoyable. He fetches your frisbee and plays with other dogs. Watching him interact with other pets is a delight as he shows off his agility and speed. People stop to admire Astro and ask questions about his abilities. His unique features and intelligence make him the center of attention. You proudly show off your intelligent companion. Demonstrating his skills fills you with pride and amazement. In the evening, Astro helps you prepare dinner. From fetching ingredients to stirring the pot, his assistance is invaluable. He sets the table and even fetches drinks from the fridge. His efficiency in the kitchen makes meal preparation a breeze. After dinner, Astro curls up at your feet as you watch a movie. His presence is comforting and adds to the cozy atmosphere. He is the perfect companion for a relaxing evening. With Astro by your side, every moment of the day is enhanced by his companionship and support. Section 5. The future is here. Welcome to a world where the boundaries between science fiction and reality blur. Astro is just the beginning. This adorable robot dog is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to bring joy and convenience to our daily lives. As AI technology continues to evolve, so too will the capabilities of robot companions like Astro. Scientists are working tirelessly to push the boundaries of what these robots can do. In the future, we can expect even more advanced robots that are even more integrated into our lives. Imagine a home where robots assist with every task, making life easier and more enjoyable. Imagine robots that can help with complex tasks like cooking, cleaning, and managing your household. These robots will be equipped with advanced AI to understand and anticipate your needs, and even providing companionship to the elderly or those living alone. These robots will offer emotional support and companionship, making a significant impact on mental well-being. The possibilities are truly endless. From healthcare to entertainment, robots will revolutionize every aspect of our lives. Astro is a glimpse into the future of technology, a future where robots are seamlessly integrated into our daily routines, a future where robots are not just tools but valued companions that enrich our lives in countless ways. They will become part of our families, sharing in our joys and sorrows. Are you ready to meet your new best friend? The future is here, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined.